In this video I'm going to cover how to set up pixel art on your system. So just make sure you have the main dependencies, which is Python and Git. On Linux you should have Python installed by default. So this is the default version of Python on my end, and I can also check if I have Python 3 installed, which is the one that I'm going to be using. Also make sure you have Git installed. If you don't have this, if you type Git on the terminal, you should get a message telling you how to install Git. You can just follow that instruction. And virtual environment for setting up the environment. Once you have those ones, you can move on to the next step of setting this up. If you're on Windows, you need to go to Python, download Python, and download the latest version of Python. To get Git, type Git, go to the Git page, and download the latest version of Git. In this case, it's going to be telling you download for Windows. Now you'll need to go to the repo folder. This will allow you to clone the repo. So click clone or download and clone it. The advantage of cloning is if you ever want to keep up with the latest updates, you just need to do git pull on your end, and you only need to clone once. So it will be git clone, then paste in the link, and that's it. Click enter and you'll have cloned the repo. Since I have the latest version, I'm going to skip this step. So the next step is making the virtual environment for this repo, which is going to be virtual environment code environments pixel, and the version of Python is Python 3. Then I'll need to cd into the virtual environment. Make sure everything is working okay. Check the version of Python I'm using. Everything's running good. So next step is moving into pixel art. I'm going to list all the files. So as you can see here, there's a requirements file which has a list of all the requirements for the repo. So I'm going to install all of them, and when this is done, the repo should be working okay. So I'll just type Python manage.py run server. Everything is running okay, so I can just go to the browser, go to localhost port 8000, and everything is running okay. So the next step, I'm going to show you how everything works.